Hello viewers. Now in this module we will talk about flora and fauna of the subtropical region, that is the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Children, the forests in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin are mostly tropical deciduous. These forests yield valuable timber. Sal, teak, peepal, and bamboo are the important trees found in these forests. The delta region, that is the Sundarbans Delta, has mangrove trees such as Sundari and Gurjan. And you know, children, these trees can survive in salt water of the sea even. Then coniferous forests are found in some parts of Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Children, this basin supports a rich variety of wildlife also, such as elephants, tigers, deer, and monkeys. The Brahmaputra basin is known for the one-horned rhinoceros, royal tiger, crocodile, and alligator. The freshwaters, seas, and lakes have a diverse aquatic life. Some fish varieties include rohu, katla, and hilsa. The river Ganga also has the dolphin, which is the national aquatic animal of India. Children, now let's see the life in this region. You know, agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in this basin. The deposition of the alluvial soil, which is brought by the rivers from the mountains, has made this land very fertile. Children, the basin has a number of geographical advantages which favor agriculture. Some of them are: first, the climate is suitable for growing crops throughout the year. Second, fertile alluvial soil which are deposited by the rivers coming from the mountains. Third, perennial rivers. Now, perennial rivers are those which flow throughout the year. Now, these rivers here provide enough water for irrigation, especially during the dry season. Fourth, the flat lowlands make farming easier and are also useful for the development of an excellent network of roads and railways. And the fifth, the agro-based industries in this region depend on agriculture. Children, the main crops which are cultivated in these plains are rice, wheat, sorghum, pulses, millet gram, fruits, and vegetables, while sugarcane, cotton, jute, silk, tea, and oilseed are some cash crops grown in this region. There are actually mainly two cropping seasons: Kharif, the crops which are grown in summer season, and Rabi, which are grown in winter season. Now, the majority of the population in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin lives in villages, and as you know, they engaged in agriculture. But gradually, some small scale and cottage industries are also flourishing. Now, people here started adapting to modern standards of living as their source of income is increasing. You know, children, in this Ganga Brahmaputra basin, the plains are more populated than the mountainous areas. A number of cities with a population of more than 10 lakhs have developed along the banks of the rivers. Some of them are Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, and Guwahati. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin has a well developed system of transport and communication. The rivers even provide inland waterways. The dense network of roads and railways has helped the growth and development of trade, industries, and tourism. Kolkata is a busy port on the Hooghly River and most of the big cities are linked by air services. And a number of world famous tourist places like the Taj Mahal, the Buddhist stupas, the Imambara, the Kaziranga, and Manas wildlife sanctuaries, etc., lie in this region.